Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Are you a Windows 11 user? Imagine start your day ready to tackle tasks, but then boom. Tech error is like a wrinkle ball. Today we are diving into 5 common Windows 11 errors that could totally ruin your day and how to fix them. Let's jump in. First up, slow startup times. Nothing worse than waiting forever for your PC to start, especially when you are in hurry. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tabs. Here you will see all the apps that launch your PC starts. Right click on the apps you don't need and click Disable. This will speed up things up. Second, enable fast startups. Search for the power options in the Start menu. Click on the choose what the power buttons do. Then enable turn on fast startup under the shutdown settings. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, missing taskbar icons. You fire up your PC and then taskbar is just empty. It is frustrating but fixable. Restart explorer.exe. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus escape button to open Task Manager. Look for the window explorer in the list. Right click on it and hit the restart. Your task icon should pop up back. If it is not, then update your Windows. Go to the settings, then click on the Windows Update and then checks for updates. Microsoft often fixes these bugs in the updates. Error 3, Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or wouldn't connect to all. This is just super annoying, especially if you are using a meeting or streaming something. First thing, reset the Wi-Fi adapter. Press the Window plus R button from your keyboard, type ncpl.cpl and hit the enter. Right click our Wi-Fi network and choose disable. Wait 10 or 20 seconds, then re-enable it. Second option is network reset. Go to the setting, then click on the network and internet and go to the advanced network settings and click network reset. This clear all settings that might be the causing issue. Now the blue screen of the death or BSOD. It is a scary, but don't worry. Most of the time it is caused by the bad driver or corrupted file. Update drivers. Search for the device manager in the start menu and expand the category and look for the device to yellow exclamation mark. Right click and choose update drivers. Second is run a system file check. Open CMD as administrator. Type sfc space /scan now and press the enter. This scan and fix all corrupted files. Finally, File Explorer crashes. It is frustrating when can't access your file or folder. Clear File Explorer history. Search for the File Explorer option in the Start menu. Under the General tab, click Clear next to the File Explorer history. This should fix minor glitches. Second is Restart Explorer.exe file. Open the Task Manager with the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button. Find the Windows Explorer and restart it. This is a quick fix for the crashes issue. And these 5 errors that could ruin your day, but now you are ready to fix them like a pro. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Stay productivity and Windows 11 warriors.